Hey there, I'm Angela from Draw-Tite, and today we're taking a look at the Hidden Hitch. As its name suggests, it is a hitch only when you need it. When you're not using it, you can simply hide it away and have a clean, factory-style back-end look. The Hidden Hitch is unique in that it is completely hidden behind your vehicle's rear bumper when not in use, thanks to its removable receiver that can be put in or taken out of the receiver housing, depending on whether you're using the hitch or not. Similar to other Draw-Tite trailer hitches, the Hidden Hitch is custom fit to your vehicle's rear frame rails. Using your Hidden Hitch is just a click away. Its easy-to-use design means no bolts are needed to secure the receiver in place. Simply take the protective weather cover off the receiver housing and store it in the case. Then take the removable receiver out of the provided case. Make sure the pin at the top is in the down position. Then push the removable receiver upward into the receiver housing until it clicks and the blue handle turns. You'll know it's ready to use when the indicator on the handle shows green. Finally, take your key and lock the handle. In addition to the necessary installation hardware, the Hidden Hitch also comes with an Anti-Rattle Hitch Pin to ensure that whatever cargo basket, bike carrier, or other 2-inch accessory you're using is securely in place and providing a smoother, more comfortable ride. To connect your accessory or bowl mount, insert it into the receiver tube. Then insert the hitch pin into the opening on the side. Tighten the nut with the included tool to engage the anti-rattle feature and insert the provided clip for added security. If you're planning to tow with the Hidden Hitch, you'll also need to connect a safety chain quick link, which is sold separately, to each side of the receiver housing. Then attach a safety chain to each of the quick links. It's important to note that a Hidden Hitch has a towing capacity of 3,500 pounds and a tongue weight rating of 350 pounds. Also keep in mind that safety chains are required by law when towing. When you're done using your hitch, simply take out any accessories, then remove the removable receiver and put it back into your storage kit. Replace the weather cover on the bottom of the center housing unit, and you're done. Store the case with your receiver in your car or truck so you have it with you, or in a safe place inside. That's it for the Draw-Tite Hidden Hitch. For more information on this and other great Draw-Tite products, visit draw-tite.com.